I'm Connor with SolarEdge, and today I'm here with Cameron, our Senior Technical Marketing Manager. Cameron, what are we looking at today?
Today we're here in beautiful San Jose, California, and we're installing the SolarEdge Home Battery.
Awesome. And can you talk us a little bit about that installation process and how it can save installers money?
Absolutely. So first, it's going to start off with design. And as designers, we're looking for a lot of flexibility. We need to know, can the battery be installed inside, outside, on the wall, on the ground? What's the spacing requirements around it? But SolarEdge has UL 9540A, so we have reduced spacing requirements, and it can be installed in any of those locations.
Once you've designed the system, what's the next step?
Yeah, so let's talk about the physical installation. So in this example today, we're wall mounting the battery. So the installer just has to find two studs, mount the wall bracket to the wall, and then just a couple of guys hangs the battery onto the bracket. It could not be simpler.
That does sound really simple and really quick. But once the battery's in place, are there steps after that? Like, is there wiring, or what does that look like?
Sure, so there's just power wires. So we're gonna run two 10-gauge wires for positive, negative, and then a 10-gauge wire for grounding, and there's no communication wires because it's wireless technology, the SolarEdge Home Network, and it speaks from the battery to the inverter to report all controls and telemetry data.
So there's limited wiring, and then all the comms wiring is wireless, which that seems like it saves a lot of wiring time, but does that save time in other places?
Absolutely, especially for commissioning. Because of the wireless technology, we can connect our phone using the SolarEdge Installer app, Set app, and we can push firmware upgrades to all of the pieces of equipment simultaneously. So that means the time to commission a single battery or 9 batteries is identical, around 30 to 45 minutes.
So you've got a very flexible design, a very quick physical installation process, limited wiring and wireless communications, and a 30 to 45-minute installation. So with all that combined, about how long does it take to install a SolarEdge battery?
I think a typical 3 to 4-man crew can get a battery system installed in a day.
That seems super fast.
Absolutely.
Well, Cameron, thank you so much for talking us through the installation, and we'll see you on the next SolarEdge Home.